Understanding sanction, a dual-meaning word in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English word, sanction. This word is unique because it has two meanings that are almost opposite. So, let's unravel the mystery of sanction together and understand how to use it correctly in different contexts. Sanction is a word with dual meanings, and understanding both is crucial for using it correctly. Positive meaning, approval or permission. In its first meaning, sanction refers to a form of approval or permission given by an authority. For example, the government gave its sanction to the new environmental policy. Here, sanction signifies that the government approves or supports the policy. Negative meaning, a penalty or restriction. Interestingly, sanction can also mean the imposition of a penalty for disobeying a law or rule. For example, the international community imposed sanctions against the country for violating human rights. In this case, sanctions are punitive measures or restrictions, indicating disapproval or punishment. Since sanction can mean either approval or a penalty, it's important to look at the context to determine its meaning in a sentence. Identifying positive use. Look for words that suggest approval, support, or permission. Example: the board sanctioned the new project after thorough evaluation. Here, the context indicates that the board gave approval. Identifying negative use. Look for contexts involving laws, rules, or international relations. Example: economic sanctions were imposed to pressure the regime. The context of international pressure suggests a punitive meaning. Knowing how to use sanction correctly can make your English more nuanced and precise. Tips for correct usage. Always consider the overall tone and topic of the conversation. If talking about rules, laws, or penalties, think of the negative meaning. When discussing approvals or permissions, the positive meaning is likely intended. Practice with sentences. Try creating your own sentences using both meanings to solidify your understanding. Congratulations on adding another interesting word to your English vocabulary. Sanction is a perfect example of the richness and complexity of the English language. Remember, context is key to understanding its dual meanings. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.